Come on, Dada Go. Let's see how big we can make it.
Well, we definitely won't run out of snow.
That's a great start, everyone.
Heave!
Heave ho, heave ho.
Oh, my goodness. They've made it all the way to the park. And there's Tommy Stop with Ruby Make and Mama Make.
Wow! Nice big snowball, Maya.
We're making a giant snowman, Tommy. But it's getting hard to push.
We can help you.
Yes. If we all push together, we can help make him giant. Great. Let's build him up on top of the hill.
Ah, yes, the hill.
I think he'll be fine here, Maya. He's the perfect size now.
Oh no, Dada. He's not big enough yet. He will see all of every day from up there too.
But...
Let's give it a few more rolls, Dada. We can make it to the top.
All right, so. Come on, everyone. Heave.
Ah, magnificent. They don't know their own strength. Finally, they reach the top and...
Woo! I got you.
Oh, that was close, Dada Go.
Great work, everyone.
Woohoo! He's almost as big as me.
He will be even bigger when we put his head on. Perfect.
There we go. Ah, lovely.
Oh, it's Miss Coach, out for her morning exercise.
Well, hi, everyone. That's a great snowman you built.
Hi, Miss Coach. It was quite a workout getting in here.
Oh, my.
Oh, dear.
Stop that snowball!
Oh. Hey, wait for us.
Oh, no, it's a runaway snowman.
Heel, Olympus, heel.
Don't worry, we'll get you back together.
Wow!
Hydrogen, this snowball is kinda snowballing.
There we are!
Oh no, not another one.
Bonus snowball!
I'm getting the hang of this!
Oh no, hang on to your hat, Hydrogen.
Oh, hey! My cone!
It's a pity we can't change the weather, like Angus did earlier when he was working the air conditioning.
Ooh, maybe we can, Kiva. I've got an idea. It's a weather changer.
Brilliant, Modsol.
Now, let's give it a go.
Wow! Now, let's get ready for the weather forecast. The break's nearly over. Weather. Welcome back to Only Good News. Looks like we've got some good weather news. It's sunny all over the country. Time to break out the picnic baskets and swimming trunks. That's great news, TV Kiva.
Let's hope that the weather doesn't turn all wintry again.
That's right, Saul. No chance of that.
Oh, Kiva, that was stone cold hilarious. Yikes! Oh no! What's happened? A snowflake? How did that get in there?
It's okay, Angus. I'm sure you were only trying to help.
Well, Kiva, it looks like we're all out of good news. This day didn't go the way we wanted it to. Huh?
Remember what Nanny said? Even on a day when things don't go as planned, you can still make the best of it.
Well, in that case...
And finally... It's goodbye from me, TV Kiva.
And goodbye from me. It's all good.
And not forgetting, lights, camera, Angus!
This is a real slope.
Oh, it's very steep.
Ooh, it's fine. I'll go first.
Be careful, Dada.
Don't worry, Maya. I've slid down many hills in my time. Not always on a tray, but it can't be that difficult.
Off we go then. What could possibly go wrong?
Ooh, oh, it is rather fast.
Stop!
Whoops.
Dada Go, you went very fast.
Yes, it was good, eh? It was certainly fast. The fastest so far today. Really?
That was a spectacular wipeout, Dada Go.
Yes, well, it's all about going as fast as you can. You can't have fun unless you take it seriously.
Dada Go, you took it so seriously you broke the tray.
Yes! So fast, Dada Go.
I can go faster than that, believe me.
Yes, but that's not what I meant.
Get your stopwatch ready, Dada Stop.
It seems like Dada Go is determined to be the fastest down the slope today.
Dada, you went down so quickly.
Yes, but this time, I'm going to go even quicker.
Where's my tray?
It's broken. Sorry.
Oh, can I come on the sled?
Best not. I'm going to be going grown-up speeds.
Oh.
Watch this. Go, go, go! I must be going 100 miles an hour!
Slow down, Dada Go!
Uh-oh. There goes the sled.
Dada Go!
What happened?
Sled broke.
Today, Dada Go, you've broken my snowboard, Maya's tray, and now Sammy's sled.
And all because you go too fast.
I'm sorry. I just got a bit excited.
Has Maya even had a turn yet?
The Go family make their way up to the top of the hill.
What's happening down there?
I'm really sorry, Maya. I broke the sled.
Oh no! Now what can we slide on?
Maybe we can still use the sled after all.
Haha, the Go family are sliding down the hill on bits of the broken sled.